So here we are. These are our living quarters for the next 3 days. We are 3C over there with the Fermion flags. And then we are 93. Marquez section right next to us. So they'll be quite lively considering that he already was a second faster than second place, which is his brother, with a 147. Mark doing a 146 in FP1. Here's parts of the track. It's pretty nice like landscape. There's a little lake over there, some rolling hills in the background. Just the sights of a GP track are just, and now I'm just picturing doing like a race or a track day here, and man, it must be special. Lucky the EU riders are. All right, here are our seats. We are row 12. I'm seat 124. Troy. It's not bad actually. It looks further away probably on camera, but like the TV, like we'll be able to like watch the rest of the race and the different parts of the track. I picked this seat because if I remember correctly, here is like a little bit of an overtaken area, like an inside pass coming into here, or you go on the outside and make it the outside pass to be the inside pass at the chicane in this area. You even can see a little bit if you stand up. You can see a little bit down the straight. Zoom in here. You can see a little bit of the straight down there. That's where the Yamahas will be getting past. Anyway, super pumped. Back into a MotoGP race since Assen 2024. Let's go. Not gonna be Pecco lead, unfortunately. So they get a second bike already, or else he's gonna lose out on qualifying. So then they're gonna take him with the scooter back to the track, but I don't know if they have one there. What is up, man? Yeah. Those things, they have such sharp turning, you can't turn them. What is up, Bez? On the ground. We are staying protected from the strong sun here. And Fabio just got into the Q2, did a 46.6. rapid time compared to yesterday. I think the conditions are a bit better on track though, because I think everyone is going a little bit quicker. Or maybe that's just their qualifying setup, who knows. We will see truly in Q2 in about a couple minutes time. I still think Mark is going to be topping the session with his brother, not too far behind. But the KTMs ran really good yesterday. I mean, they favor this track considering the long straights, and I mean that bike is rapid in a straight line. So most likely we'll see Maverick and Pedro Acosta fighting for those top positions. Hopefully Fabio was within that like top 6 range, because from there I think you have a good start and maybe fight for a podium. That's all we're hoping for. Ale Fabio. Ale Fabio! That's Fabio. Right now, Luca Lunetta, 4th position. Got passed on the slipstream going into turn 1.
Luca! Vastus da Lucanico!
Also, Joe Roberts, American, 9th, not bad. I think Tony Arbolino is maybe right behind him in 10th or 11th. So, I like Joe Roberts and Arbolino, but also this Moreira kid, good shout. Talks of him going to MotoGP, maybe because the Brazilian GP is next year, who knows. But, I mean, there's no doubt about it that he's a top rider. Hopefully he can continue this string of form, and also it'll be interesting to see Manuel Gonzalez and how he goes through the field considering his early Q2 exit. So it's going to be a race to watch. Bombas. That's the guy we met yesterday. San Guevara. This is his fan section. Alex Escrit. Yes, Diego Moreira. Warm up lap. So as I guessed, Mark is just absolutely running away with this. Probably right now over a 3-second gap just from eyeballing it. I mean, Aldeguer is given a good battle with Morbidelli. And Pecco has had a surprising comeback Sunday. So currently in P3 and P2, the other Marquez, Alex.
viene ahí. ¿Qué? Baja un poco.